Google DeepMind CEO just defined the real test for AGI. It's more brutal than anyone expected.
Look, my definition of AGI has never changed. So, which I can tell you is we've always defined it, and I've always defined it since I started working on this 20, 30 years ago, as a system that can exhibit all the cognitive capabilities humans can. Now, why is that important? First of all, because the brain is the only existence proof we have that we know of, maybe in the universe, of a general intelligence. That's also partly why I just studied neuroscience, because I wanted to understand the only data point that we have that this is possible, right? And understand that better. And so that's the definition I use. It's quite a high bar because it means if you wanted to test the system against that, it would have to be capable of all the things humans can do with this brain architecture, which is incredibly flexible. It's clear today's systems, although they're very impressive and they're improving, they don't do a lot of those things. So true creativity, continual learning, long-term planning, they're not good at those things. And another thing that is missing is general consistency across the board at capabilities. You know, of course, in some circumstances, they can get gold medals in international maths Olympiad questions, like we did last summer with our systems, but they can still fall over on relatively simple maths problems if you pose it in a certain way. So that shouldn't happen with a true general intelligence. It shouldn't be sort of a jagged intelligence like that. So there's still quite a lot of things missing. I think the kind of test I would be looking for is maybe training an AI system with a knowledge cutoff of, say, 1911, and then seeing if it could come up with general relativity like Einstein did in 1950.